Okay, everyone, so you are welcome to the part 3 of this video, which is the final part. So I must say thank you for really following to the end, and it shows that you are really serious with your determination. And believe me, if you take action after you finish watching this video, you won't regret it, because affiliate marketing is truly a gold mine. So I'm inviting you to come and mine yours in this gold mine. So as I promised, I want to show you a platform that has made so many people millionaire, and believe me, it's still making a lot of people millionaire even today. So I know you are curious and you are thinking, okay, just say it. What's the name of the product? All right, so let's go. The name of the platform is Digistem. Probably you've heard about them. Probably this is your first time. That is fine. If you've heard about them before, nice. If you haven't, I will be explaining what the platform is and what they do and the entire process involved for you to get yourself registered and be a partaker of this wonderful business model with them. So the thing is, there are a lot of testimony that I will share at the end of the video for you guys to actually see. Probably to help you to believe more in your decision. So many people has actually won car due to the contest I told you about that they normally do. So many people won car, many people have won millions, many people have won visas to other countries, probably to stay there for some days and all of that. Then we have some people also that won land, generators, a lot. So I know that you won't regret taking the action. All right, so let's go. What is Digistem? Digistem is an online digital marketplace where creators of digital products like books, tutorials, and courses can get more sales for their products via the help of affiliate. So what this means is that on Digistem, there are creators, also known as vendors. These are people who own digital products and are looking for sales. Then we have affiliates who are willing to help the vendors get more sales. And they, I mean the affiliates now, get a commission per sales they made. The Digistem platform bridges the gap between these two parties, between the affiliate marketers and the product owner. So let's look at what Digistem do. Now, I'll just analyze it in 3 points. Point number 1, Digistem makes it easy for an affiliate to have access to various products from different merchants. What they do, number 2, the Digistem platform takes care of the sales tracking and reporting so that no party is cheated. I've already talked on this. Point number 3, Digistem also take care of customer support, product delivery, and other little issues that might come up. So you see that you are actually in for the best. Digistem platform will take care of all of your worry, ranging from the delivery to the payment of your commission. So you have nothing at all to worry about. So now let's quickly look at how Digistem works, how it works. Now let me give you overview of how it actually works. Now, a vendor, which is someone who owns a digital product, lists their product on Digistem. He provides the price for the product and how much commission he is willing to pay per se. The commission is almost and always 50%. So an affiliate now, someone willing to make money by selling the product in exchange for the commission, looks through the affiliate platform and pick one or more products they want to promote. The affiliate then go ahead to promote the product using his affiliate link, which is a unique link that makes it easy for the Digistem system to track which affiliate made the sales. When the affiliate promotes the product, a potential buyer sees it and then click on the link to check out the details of the product. If it is something the person is interested in, they go ahead to buy it. Once there is a purchase, both the vendor and affiliate get notified via email with their percentage for the sales. The Digistem system dictates which affiliate refer the sale, and the affiliate get the specific commission for that product in their Digistem affiliate account. So this is simply how it works. Now let's look at when and how they pay. Digistem pay out whichever amount the affiliate has in their payout section every Fridays. So it is as simple as that. Unlike many platforms, Digistem places a strong emphasis on high quality digital products. You see, on Digistem, before a vendor can list a product, the product goes through some tough scrutiny to ensure that it is valuable for the buyer, and to also ensure that it is promising for the affiliate who might want to promote it. So right now, there are many high-value digital products on the Digistem platform, and the product owners, which are also known as vendors, offer affiliates between 50 to 70% commission per product sales. That is huge. That is huge. Most actually offer 50%. This hefty commission per sale is why many who wants to make money as an affiliate prefer to promote the product on Digistem. 50% is huge. If you promote product of 20,000 naira, it means you are getting 10,000 naira on each sales. If you promote product of 30,000, you are getting 15,000 naira on each sales. 15,000 times 10, 150,000 naira. So it means for you to make 150,000 naira, you just need only 15 sales. Only 15 sales. I hope you made up your mind and join this wonderful business model. So now let's look at how to join Digistem. So this is the juicy part, and we are actually coming to the end of the video. Now, in order to become an affiliate on Digistem and start promoting any of the products on the platform, we have two methods. The first one, a 5,000 naira yearly registration fee is required. Just 5,000 naira. Or you can just, the second one, you can just purchase the UMM training program and get 12 months of free access. But if you are going for the first one, which is 5,000 yearly registration fee, the implication is that commission on each sales will be reduced to 25% compared to when you get the UMM training, which will give you 50% commission and above. So I will advise you to go for the UMM training, because 25% commission cannot be compared to 50% commission. So it's advisable you go for the UMM training. Then with the UMM training, you'll be granted access to their platform. And because you get their training, which is the UMM, you will be offered 50%, minimum of 50%. So I think that's fantastic. Okay, so I know now you're already thinking, what is UMM training now? Divulge it, say it quickly. All right, so UMM program, that's what it's been called, or UMM training program. The UMM actually stands for Ultimate Money Machine Training Program. The UMM is just one of the online courses on the Digistem marketplace. Now, here is the story. When Digistem was first launched, it was found out that many people who wanted to make money via affiliate marketing didn't know how. So, based on the CEO's over 10 years of sales and marketing experience online, they created the UMM online training to teach people how to sell online. So it means that the UMM is going to be teaching you practically how to sell online. So the UMM online course is made up of training videos like PDF, weekly mentorship online class, where students can be helped with more training and help with their challenges. So it also includes videos, practical videos that will show you step-by-step guides on how to go by it. So students of the UMM program also get 12 months free access to the Digistem marketplace as an affiliate. So this is one of the reasons why you need to go for the UMM training course, because let's say you pay that 5,000 naira now. I know it's very, very cheap and all of that. Let's say you pay 5,000 naira and you get yourself registered. You are confused. Like, what do you even know that you want to do? How will you start? How will you go by it? So due to that, it is advisable you go for UMM training program, where you are going to learn practically, step by step, what you need to do, how you need to do it, and when you need to do what you need to do. UMM training program will teach you that. I can guarantee that. In fact, my journey as an online entrepreneur actually started with this UMM training program. You know, when I speak with a lot of people these days, they'll be like, wow, you know a lot and all of that. My background is from this UMM training program. Before I started affiliate marketing years ago, I don't know anything about link. I don't know anything about this online stuff. So it was from the UMM training I got all this knowledge, although I later built on it by getting more courses and all of that. But I can say that it served as a foundation for my online knowledge. So I also encourage you to go for this UMM training program, and I'll make the link available at the comment section. Probably you are watching on YouTube or on TikTok or Facebook. You see in the comment section the link. Try to actually get it, click on it. You can also chat me up on WhatsApp so that we can actually talk more in case you want more clarity and you want me to explain some other things. So you will get the link from the comment section and all of that. Then if you don't want to do that, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. When you check our page, you will see our WhatsApp link there, or in the content section too, you might see the link there. So make sure you click on the link, chat me on WhatsApp if you still want more, reach out to me on WhatsApp if you still want more explanation. But if you're cool by all this explanation, you can just click on the link, get your course, chat me up, then I will take up the mentorship class with you. Thank you very much. So now let's look at what you will actually gain by getting your UMM training course. Now, what are the things you are going to be learning from the UMM course? Among so many things that the UMM have to offer, I will just list few of them. Number one, you will learn 7-figure mindset to successfully build a profitable business that will make you steady commissions weekly. Number two, you will learn step-by-step framework to make your first sales in less than 21 days. Number three, an easy way to attract people ready to follow you and buy from you, even if you don't have any product or service. You also learn how to generate massive quality leads on Twitter, Facebook, and Quora like a magazine. You will learn do-for-you lead magnets to give away to increase your affiliate sales, how to build a landing page with your smartphone, done-for-you copy headlines for writing copy and content, how to pick a hot product that has lasting solutions to 80% of your prospect problem, the secret objection handling formula that takes money from the pocket of your client without having to beg or force them, how to run converting ads on Facebook and Instagram like a pro with your smartphone, the secrets to generating surefire content for your business in less than 5 minutes, how to convert your WhatsApp into a cash machine. You will also learn social media marketing. You will learn the easiest funnel to convert that prospect to a hot buyer in less than 14 days. And so many more. So among so many things you'll be learning through this UMM training programs, I just give you few of them, and I hope you're happy. You're happy that you have a lot of things to actually learn. Now, that's not the end. There are so many bonuses that are attached. Among so many, I'll just list few also. You will learn how to start a YouTube channel that pay you in dollar with your smartphone, and the value is around 10,000 naira. Part of the bonus are how to create a blog that ranks with Google with your smartphone. If you value it in market, it's worth 50,000 naira. You will have access to Digistem Telegram support group, where we'll be having our weekly coaching course. For you to have access to such high-level group, it costs around 60,000 naira. Now, the ultimate money machine itself, which costs around 60,000 naira. So by the time you calculate all these bonuses alone, it will be approximated to around 180,000 naira. So that's what you should have even paid for. Let's say this is the only thing you're giving as the training course, like the bonus. But guess what? You won't be paying 180,000 naira. The only small token you have to pay to have access to all these loads of knowledge is 20,000 naira. Shaking 20,000 naira. Actual price is 35,000 naira. But if you get it now that you are listening and watching this video, you can enjoy the promo when it is still available. And you can save yourself from paying extra 15,000 naira later. So if you go for it now, you are going to be getting it at the rate of 20,000 naira. So what you just need to do at this point is to click on the link in the comments to get the promo now when it still lasts. Don't forget the part that I taught you about how much you can make with affiliate marketing. How much you can make with affiliate marketing. Remember that just in 4 months, you can become a millionaire. 20,000 is a small money to the benefit that affiliate marketing actually have for you. All right, so if you have concluded and you are going for the decision, check the comments box. You are going to see the links there, or you can come back to my WhatsApp DM, and then the link will be provided for you over there also. Now, the next thing I'm going to be showing you now is evidences and proof that authenticate everything I'll be teaching you from the beginning of this training program. You know, everything looks like a theory, right? So you are going to hear from Kame's mouth. You are going to hear from the mouth of people that has actually become millionaire. Some people has become car owner and land owner. Some people have traveled outside Nigeria just because they are working with Digistem as an affiliate marketing. So join me.
My name is Chelsea Ogike, and I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to Digistem. All right, thank you so much to Digistem for transforming my life. Okay, I'm one of the many Nigerians, or even many people in this world, that Digistem is constantly transforming their lives. Okay, so I started Digistem, affiliate marketing on Digistem September last year, and I've made over 2 million naira in pure commission. 2 million naira have been paid to me in pure commission, and all of this was made possible through the Ultimate Money Machine course. Okay, so the Ultimate Money Machine course is going to teach you exactly how to start affiliate marketing and profits from it. So there's a step-by-step guide. It's also going to teach you high income digital skills like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, content marketing, email marketing, a whole lot more. Okay, so if you have not gotten started on affiliate marketing on this is the opportunity for you. The Ultimate Money Machine course has the potential to transform your life. I think you shouldn't miss on this. Okay, so you need to get started now. Get started immediately so that your financial life can also be transformed. See ya.
Hello, my name is Okeke Vivian. I am a secondary school teacher and also a mother. I got to know about affiliate marketing DigiStem through a friend. I got registered through the Ultimate Money Machine and started implementing what I've learned from the Ultimate Money Machine. From the day I started, which is October 2022 to November 2022, I've made close to $2,000. And my dear, from that day till today, I have been withdrawing every Saturday. Ultimate Money Machine really changed a lot for me, because then I was earning 15K as a secondary school teacher. But when I started this business, when I joined the affiliate marketing DigiStem, everything changed. I started withdrawing every Saturday. And also, this Ultimate Money Machine has everything it takes to boost your sales. If you want to boost your sales in all your businesses, or you want to make money online, get the Ultimate Money Machine. If I can do it as a mother, then you too can do more better. Okay, I will show you a few of my testimonies so that you will see that Ultimate Money Machine by DigiStem really changed a lot for me. I am thankful to DigiStem for providing such an opportunity to help people that doesn't know where to start in life, and also to help us in this economy so that we too can make money online. Thank you.